Ni pestaza ulaho, azameta ulaho, How you guys doing? Where are my people? Please join the video. The one and only trending rainy bossing queen talk show. One and only VIP talk show. Oh my gosh. The only baby presenter way they give them woto. Only me want they shake the whole media. Oh, go bazin right now. When I talk, say me peace dey this media. Wawe eo ge I tell me no wahi. Una say una na be dice wani many buwa. Wane life woman straight. I am mani bigo. A twisted destiny when waje. Wawe eo wamani de we no. Me ma fear when ye Facebook na. Yes or no? Was I able to give you guys job or not? At all. No be $10, $20, $50. Or why be ya increase a view? When am I monetize niro? E man be domugu. Who be ya increase a view? Na ge the Facebook wa be smile ya we runda. O wan mi pa no ha gbu we be so mana. No more international money. Share the national cake. Divide the national money. You shop your own, I shop my own. My government will not shop alone. Or Boloko. My amazing people, thanks for joining. You guys are the best. Share this video for me. I get sumo. Make we touch on sumo. I hear say oje pants. That one you see they talk yesterday. Monekia. The reason why I will not make you that is the reason why I will not make you the main topic is that I can just come out any day and beat you. You understand? But ya di ekere no eweti kendi enu enu da e pint we bed no do yo vitally e bedi nu wedo Canada land do gba yo vitally we na gunwana 20 minutes after one o my ye do dey bedi ni a panty na wo view every year. Umaye return any of these things. Eko wo. Nekwetu. So the reason why I will not take your matters too serious is that I will constantly beat you. When we me so na yare me social media na. Now no go no. So I will constantly beat you. When it can't day. You understand? Now moving on, let's go to Oyu Bobo ne Don Prince. Don Prince, it is a total harassing because I saw your updates. Ogu de wo wiena no do be me gbikin ege wa do naira na issue ege. So because if you dey see road well for this media, you go know say your saga is the most useless saga so far on Edo cyberspace. If you dey see well, you go know say your saga e no even move 2 years old baby. Talk less of a personality like me, Queen Talk Show, where they beat una they cry. Don Prince, you for inside. The reason why you they cry for my matter with my name is because of friendship. You need my friendship. Yes, I get the audio where you, Don Prince, take the cry for my friendship. You say me carry my friendship, go give another person. And find Mama Jessica Tessa joining. You say, okay, let's be serious, okay? Make I not just the talk am with joke, okay? Because my people don't they come, so let's go straight to the point. Now start Timoto non allow. You gbogbo, you say me Queen talk show, say me and you get issue. My guy, now you go run for me. You dey hear me so? I say waiting. Now you go run for me. Betrayal everywhere. Yes, now. They're not rich. You understand? It's that one a normal thing for those cyberspace. If they never they betray you, you never grow. My your quick talk small about this betrayal. And I see waiting some people they write up where not correct. Write up where not even correct. Where be say person no feel read. Please, I beg. If you won't write anything where you know say you go like make I sing or you won't make, please use Google to translate or no waiting you the right. Call somebody where they close to you. May they help you put that right up. Not call the right waiting no waiting I know if you read. Not call the right waiting I know if you read. Please. I never even ready for you. Say baby I want saga you where they inside. I don't know they say you may you go they post video na so na talk na so. The only thing when I tell you which is the true video where you do where you feel say you delete. I have the video. I get the video. When I'm ready to say okay, I want to talk to you. You supposed to don't know me by now. Say uhe making iyomana you bokpanya with social media now. I cannot just wake up and come out to start saying things that I don't have proof about or I don't have anything about or I don't have evidence about. That is one thing you're supposed to know. You understand me? Before I talk, say you do me this thing, just know say yes. You do me. If you even get sense, say you be best way you get sense. You not even come and say, Queen, sorry, oh. I don't know, say, this thing go vex you. My love, I don't even reason her like that. You are still claiming something. You want push me now, may I can't do you something where say people come they talk, say, it is very bad to keep friends on social media. It is very, very bad. That is why I know they do friends for social media. That is why I thought say friends not there. So you want push me now because I don't no me when talk something. I don't get sense now. Everything I talk about was this. One say person tell me. I watch your video. I saw everything you talk for that video. Not be say person come and say, see wait, no, person bring the video to my notice. I took my time. I watched the video. Watching that video, I know say yes, you don't already fuck up. Because if na me be you, I know if you do that kind of thing. You did this social media for a very long time. I know how many people where I know say born you. How many godmothers where you get on this social media. Some even they call me for this space where we did so. So even they call me. Even get one where you get issue with. Few time ago, maybe if time reach, if you ask me say who I go call remember you. I was the person that quenched that matter. And me beg that lady say, please mama forget. The lady the verse say, you brought her out as a godmom. Now that they drag her, you not talk, you not do anything put. Now Messi come out, can't defend that lady. He still did this media. He still did this media. You get. Now Messi settle you. I still tell him, I say, mama, forget. Maybe she don't know, maybe na mistake, maybe na you understand. Now so friend say they do. Now so friend say they do. The reason why I don't want to the battle with you, can they follow you, they do is that you are not my problem. You do me something and I don't tell you what I won't tell you. And I stay off. Not be first time, not be second time, not be third time. You understand? Me, as I did so, I get friendship of 30 years. As I did so, I get friendship of 30 years. Person where they born us together. They raise us opposite house. We grow together. We can't even enter abroad. She dey aside, I dey my, she dey her country, I dey my country. We never quarrel one day. I have a lot. Where we say we start primary school together. We can't finish primary school, finish secondary school, can't even enter school before me drop out. We even drop out. Ma say like that, yeah. We drop out. You understand? They are still there. I be person where they respect friendship. But when you play with my intelligence, you won't use me by. You won't use me as a scapegoat for your own selfish interest. I go even give you time. First time, I go forgive. Second time, I go forgive. Third time, I know, say, I don't already conclude, say, you can never change. I go give you space. And that was what happened. And the reason why I still bring that issue online, I for not still bring that issue come online. Can't even they talk and say, oh, see person where she can't go. I don't care who you tell do mama or papa. That one is not my fucking business. I'm bigger than that. Yes, I don't be past all those things. The reason why I decided to bring it online, the video you did, you do and made the drag me. I'm not telling you, may you know. The video you did, you do and made the drag me. On a very good day, I'll come play that video for you. You they talk, you say they call the sagaran. They call the sagaran. You never talk about your ex, where the saga how. You talk that one will finish. You go, people where call this. Who be the people? Where call the saga this woman? On a very good day, you deleted that video. I know so many people never see that video. Now maybe queen. I know they follow you the rush. I know if you can follow you, they run race. No. On a very good day, me and you, maybe me and you go sit down on live video. You'll do your live video. I will do my own. You get your fans, I get my fans. People really, maybe people will really want to know whether I accuse you wrongly or I did wrong to even tell you, say, as a ex-friend or as a, even if not be friends, as a like colleague, where be say, person they support you too. Person where they support you, where call you as a friend. Even if say maybe for to you the friendship not mean anything to you, but at least you'll still reason the sacrifice when me don't sacrifice for you as a friend. You'll still reason the sacrifice when me don't sacrifice for you. You they get me so. Not be say you can't do the thing. Then worst come to worst. Now if you want to talk, you can't talk, say social media no friendship. They not they do friendship for media. You know your friends. So why you not tell me since? Why you not tell me since? The time when you they call me, they do fan. Why you not reason? I say social media is not all about friends. Because not be everybody get that spirit of betrayal. Me, I not get that spirit. So I don't know the one that tell the operator. Where be so now will carry fake smile put for front. Una inside go be another thing. I was not raised like that, and I'm not ready to learn that character from media. Runda, Osabaya bless ona. If they play the show, we they see all of una result for this media. If they play the show now. You they get me. So now sumoti. Now I tell you. And I be the truth. Now they get me so. So please. This one say, she's avoiding dispute with you. Don't instigate it. Are you crazy? Peace. Are you crazy? Something wrong with your head. Is something wrong with your head? If you don't know what to say, you shut up your mouth and get out of here. I don't call you. Do you, if I want, you think say I know sabi instigate matter, you they mad, or good they kill you. You think say me not sabi instigate matter? Abi you look me like who they beat around the bush or go boa? You think that the fear to talk on the finance? Turn down one entire your head base, scatter everything we remain for the who were so who. Wait till they instigate. You think if I want to even if na other presenter this thing happen to, I promise you, saga for don't fool everywhere. If na other presenter where me know for this media where similar things like this don't fair happen to, say na them na this thing happen to me, they let you know now. Say I promise you, saga for don't boku. I'm even trying to behave mature to not just pull face because I don't really even said. I know said now they need waiting I get. Me, I don't get time for because I believe say waiting be person you know the person. You understand me? So if you don't know waiting you won't comment, you just shut up your mouth. If you don't shut up that your mouth, I will place you for somewhere where be say you go feed they look me. One comment you cannot drop it on my platform. Are you mad? You don't know as they tell the instigate matter. You look me like small people. You look me like me the saga better people talk less of something where not reach me use one hand excuse you only to your good you decrease. So my people, that is all that. So even if you want to drop right off for me, just write it straight. Make I feel understand what you write. So I'll feel read through it. I don't get any hatred for you or anything with you, or maybe I the verse. And I not the verse for you. No, I not the verse for you. You understand me? You know, say me not the verse for you. If to say I the verse for you, even if I saga you, I not the owe anybody explanation. I don't need to explain to anybody. Say, hey, I want no. Because you wrong me and you fuck up. So it's either you accept your fuck up or you come at will join the other way around. So that one and for that one. Moving on, my people. Don Prince and Monekia, two of una, I see say, especially Don Prince where you're this because Monekia where they that one issue. That one they suffer from dumping. Here we dump on up and down. Any corner where that one go there, they dump her. She feels say she go fit do all these things, can't become my friend. Or me or can't go surrender to her. Echo bet, echo war. May I tell you something? I don't date this media for it's going to 3 years now. You don't ever see say me and you even laugh to each other once. Even though you talk the matter good though, you bear now, you sweet now. You don't ever see say me, I laugh to you once. The answer is no. Do you know why? You need to go and repent. And I don't want to follow you fake friendship because I don't want to still use you dump. A lot of people, they use you dump. I don't want they among. That is why I don't want to follow you do fake friend. My friend fake. So please, not draw me to you by force. Monica, the friendship beggar. Now you get this one. You are by the saga person. Make the by feel say you the saga person. The OT say you the read the fight person. No. Now friendship you they beg for. Now wait till you do Esther. Now wait till you do that woman where they where be prophetess where difference. Now wait till you do a lot of people. You go by the saga there. Maybe when they'll come tell you say oh my is off for you call the happy hey what you man you come the praise them. You are shameless. You are a friendship desperado. I know they welcome desperado people. Look me how many years on this media. You don't ever see me smile to you before. Before I enter media, I already hate you. Ekobete, just listen to me and listen good. Before I enter this media, I don't like you. Even before I know Querita, I don't even like you. Thanks for joining Priceless Good. Before I know Queen Ritoto, me no like you, Ekobete. You know why I don't like you? Every time I tell they count this thing for you. 1, you are fake. 2, you are very useless. 3, you no get front and back. And 4, you are greedy. When I dey inside house that time, I never create my page. And I see the way you say they drag. Because the man, thank you, my lady, thank you, Mama Jessica. Yama say, all this one where you feel say, now growth it be. Mona know your reason. Me know the reason. If I switch this camera now, you'll see and say, I don't care. If I do this video finish, now the entire time, my babes don't they land. We won't flex, we won't shake time. This festive period. But because to let them know, say, I don't forget, say, I get saga for grant for social media. Or see, we are not banner. Anytime I take off for where they go, we'll continue for there. And go reach start day. Yeah, why we saga. I finish starting. I want the F jar. Again, I give me break. I want mash here. But they know say yes, I ready for. Don't be all this one. A mark bona here. Me, I not see anybody here. Understand? You know they even ask of me. No, my lady, I ask of you now. Not be you they throw with me. Now you they throw with me. Oh, that's where what female for. Una they get me. So Monica, please, if you want saga me maturely. Use your real face. Just still give yourself that respect. Okay? Use your real face. No go stay studio. May you go blur the background. Can't say you they talk to me queen. No. They inside your motto. I give you only this assignment, Monica, for afternoon. They inside your motto. Make you do video. Carry camera, face yourself. Beat me where. Where can both with me. Once I see and say, na inside motto, you for do that video. You read saga me where. Then I will come and play your video and analyze it. I will come and play your video and analyze it. Not be joke. You they get me so. Say without you never show your real face. Even the so-called video where they say you do. I no wash her. And I no go wash her. Any swear you swear on that video, Monica, except say you no shop abia you are money. Monica, any swear when you swear for that video, except say you no chop abia you are money. If you chop abia you are money, even if na 20 star, 5 star, 2 star, all the swear where you swear for me, where you go away, or je Monica who have boga sunu, and then not gonna buenye, who are the vibe. You shameless woman. You where they go bribe which day for you. Thanks for joining, Mama. If you know which day they go bribe you here. No, you got road for a live video, you got zoo. Now you say make that one way they tell you they cost me. How when I cost or one why they not on you or what? Monica, who be you where they know the cost? We wear like social media now, they hard work in Umemai. They hard work in Umemai, they shame at this dressing boy. Which hard work you get here? If not be to come on media, to come they fight people. Just they pick those be now they go for the whole media just to see money pay your mortgage. Just to see money pay your mortgage. The saga pass like this. He pass like this. Bon why na shame at this grace started pursue you come back that day. Ekwemo magieki. I'm big. I'm the leader that leads. A leader no beg ile lotiku here, beg ile le friendship here. You just say I don't know what you they try to do. You need me, Monica. You need me. I know say you need me. I don't want to use you dump. I they tell you now. My lady say, Queen, how are you? I think say you you want more and respect the dead first now. Who make una wait after burial? Now my love. You are welcome. Thank you, Mama. May I tell you, my lady? We see the more the lady now. We never even start. We never start saga. We never they do saga. Now more with the more the lady now. I for close this door just now. Make her closer. Yeah. So let's go there. My people, we now more with the more. When mama is when we never start now. If we start now, we won't say we don't start. Am I here? Since Don Prince with mama and Joy said they don't want to make them more the woman. Not be said they don't know the truth of what that they try to do, but they won't try to the form say they know the zero, they know the so nobody go follow them take that nonsense. Now they get me. So moving on, Monica. I know that you are crying for my friendship. I know say my friendship you need that. You know say you dey like people like me. Talk truth. You dey like people like me. You know why you can never get me. For me to come close to you, Monica, I will delete my page and leave Facebook. I tell you this till 2022. I tell you 2023. I tell you 2024. Now I'm telling you 2025. For me to come close to you, I go delete Facebook. You know why? All the people where you use Opolo I take drag. All the friendship where you use Opolo I take drag. Where you carry them go? Where are they today? How you do them? They use you, they dump you. They use you, they dump you. They use you, they dump you. If they don't dump you, you go come they cry for social media like small pikin where they come for head. Now me, now your idea. The same way this Don Prince, your former worker. Don Prince, your former worker. Money where Don Prince chop this late woman, my people. Money where Don Prince chop this late woman. All in the name of they want do juju. They want do juju. Obo say me they bring this one. Babalawo say me they bring this one. Native doctor say me they bring this one. Money where Don Prince chop this lady. A lot of things they will make body they pepper these people because they don't want us to find out the truth. They don't want vomit this woman money where they shop. This lady na person wey be say anything. He said na Monica wey don leave. No matter one, I just say make I give her small. Only here the problem. Monica is my least problem because that one I go dey beat her constantly. Only a problem. But all these small children where they crap at her, where they try to distract people from the main thing, which is Mama Ego brother. Now I want put sense for their head. Now they get me so my people. Don Prince chop this woman money so the woman come they do birthday for them. He use the pikin do goddaughter for the woman. He wreck this woman money. He with Mama Joy. They shop this woman money so this woman don't know the time when she start every job they do. This woman don't know the time where she start every job they do. My people. They go they tell her because that one like anything juju. Don Prince na fake juju man. He go by the talk. I want do juju. They say make we bring this one. Well, I don't know one man. Una know Don Prince and Don Prince na 419 in nature. No be say they by the talk and no. Now wetin pursue and come on for Italy be this. He dupe 2 different people money. 2 different people money. One our Nigeria brother. Second na Oibo. He dupe their money now he take for 419 business. He even use the math confirm and say yes. Thanks for joining my person Yobo. He use the math confirm and say yes. Say in our streets boy the thief people to survive. Imagine time when Don Prince spend with this lady how much she chop. For round now to come outside to calculate how much he chop this lady. He come by the find something where go take cover her. And he know fully well. Say people must ask them, say, wetin happen to this lady? All this saga where they feel say that they do so. Now me be queen. Once I don't expose, I tell una say, The fake justice one come sick. Iya go bago boy wae. Ya I go bago boy wae neba. I bomoni sanyawa. I bomoni sanyawa. Una go koti. That is, I go cause pain for una body. Yeah, succeed in name we pain you wa we bene. Is wa born wa so forever. Una go de cry. Una go de cry me ocean. Why me go con de ask una? Why ya bohona eh? After mama ego brother don't vomit all the money where he did with her. Because this one when me they do so my people. Please, if you dey here, open your ear and listen to me. Mona reason this matter well. And let's reason it together. This lady in question. Now somebody will be say, if she dey date guy, now the guy account, now she dey put all her money, which everybody fit testify for this media. Even the ex guy talk and say yes. Now wait till the woman they do. Now, this woman don't know this mama ego brother for some time now. This woman don't put a lot of money, I repeat, a lot of money, a lot of investment, a lot of things, document and all. He deal with this mama ego brother as we they speak. So, because this mama ego brother, he never know the family. He never go see the family. Now this one, and let's say you are very correct. Thank you, mama. God bless you. Now this one where she be they go house so. Now she want go introduce this guy to her family. Introduce all these things where we come they talk. So they follow this boy. He dey frank. Now social media, our family they know all these things. Then be no say something like this, they go on. Now the woman be want go introduce this mama ego brother to her family, say see husband, or maybe they feel pay bride price, do marriage and all, or maybe do court marriage also. Maybe she go like to carry the boy. All the money where she want to carry the boy, both the one where they want to do marriage, do lawyer, go here, all that money they this boy account. All the money where she wanted buy car, where she wanted flex, where she wanted travel, where she wanted do things, do shopping. All that money, it did this boy accounts. A day to when this woman they go Nigeria, my people, a serious something happen. This lady buy as a reasonable person, where una be, where God will bless, where they wash me so. Wetin we supposed to they talk about now? Is it the people where the woman use her mind dash money matter? Now we supposed to they talk about now? Or now person where the woman load money for your account before this kind of thing happen? Now we supposed to the question. This one a boy where be say the family don't know this boy. The family don't know this boy. Now we where we be presenter. Now we know say this boy don't fair marry Meriedos. Now we know this experience where Meriedos experience from this same guy, which is not really good. It's not really good. Not be only Meriedos be the first woman where Mama Ego don't give this boy where they Europe. All of them they cry, they go. All of them get Baba story to talk about this boy. Meriedos, that one only me wanna go where she escape. Till tomorrow she dey thank God for her life. Now, waiting we supposed to dey concentrate on. Please, somebody should drop it on the comment section. Make we know. Waiting we supposed to day after. Because the family don't even know what the woman gets. The woman no dey put money for her family account. If she dey put na sumo. Una know say sister and brothers now, the money they sweet to eat. It dey very easy to eat. Like me now, imagine as I did, so my brother go get like 20,000 euro from my account. I can, if I really need that serious, like if you use 5K inside. Now my brother own. Now they get me so. So now be the situation. The woman not they put money for her people account. If she dey date boy, she know say she go marry this boy. Now that boy account she dey put everything. Now that boy account, now she dey put everything. Since when this matter take happen now, mama e go cry small, she rest. Her brother now never even come outside to address the general public, because the woman not be person where they don't know. The woman is a popular somebody. It be like during the time of Mohbad, justice for Mohbad, everybody carry her. Everybody carry her. Justice for Mohbad. Why we feel talks okay, justice for Mohbad? Because why? It was a public figure. We all saw everything where it happened. So if we fit stand, people where they claim say that they do justice for this one, just why we not fit give this late our sister a befitting justice? Why? Why some of us can't make greed, selfishness, self-centered, can cover their face? They block way. They don't want to make person seek justice for this lady. When you see them online, they cry. You go feel say, oh, they really they fight justice. No. Imagine say person they ask me say, Queen, can't talk what the woman give you. Can't talk pants way buy for you. Say please, they put allegedly because you wearing them. See, I wasn't there, but everything happened on media. Most of these things that they talk, I get the audios, I get the evidence, I get the receipts. I know where they go on. Now they get me so. I know where they go on. Now they get me so. Now presenters, the ones where really talk truth. Now God go bless you now. Sunday where we say the woman, as the woman give me, she dash me. Thank God say when she dey dash me something, me with her never get any issue. Before she decided to come and pay for her freedom, she started paying for her freedom on Edo cyberspace. Even though police arrest me today, now waiting I go talk. I have the audios, I have the receipts, I have the conversation, I get the evidence. This lady started paying for her freedom on Edo cyberspace. I told her, I tell her, say, Mama, come on for social media. These crazy people where you they watch so. It not be everybody if you do presenter. Not be everybody if you still watch presenter. You are not used to this kind of job. Before me become presenter, I'd already did live video for almost me now. I don't they go 8 years on Edo cyberspace. Yes. I don't they go 8 years on Edo cyberspace. That is why I feel tell you every in and out, every role everybody have played on this Edo cyberspace for the past 8 years. I feel tell you. If you say I dey lie, who ya my body? That's me for you. I told her, come on for this place. It be like yesterday now where Monica they say Monica is work for that side. If I tell una say up till now I never watched that video, una not go believe. And I not go watch that video. That is me for you. And I not go do wetin. I not go watch that video. Because even Monica not know wetin happen about this situation. It's just that any does bitch reach, she want chop there. She they find views, they find something to take survive, not be her fault. Please, my people, Mona, they love this video. Love and like and share, okay? Mona, give this video love and like. Mona, they get me so. She also collected, this woman also buy her freedom from Monica hand. Monica can't swear put if this woman not give you money, where do you? Monica can't swear put if this woman not give you money. For Nana to say, okay, because of the good time, because the woman was so good, because of the hair, because of the way she, you know, let's say the truth, may we fight for her, may we give her justice. You are not concentrating on that. You dey come dey swear for live video, they beg for my friendship. Who tell you say I will be your friend? Until the ending of Facebook, I will not be your friend. You're not my type of person. I don't like your personality the same way you don't like me. You saga me, yes. I dey vex, no. Because na social media we dey. Tomorrow now something fit just still happen for your temple for that side. Me or your still come out, I will come conk your head, join the thing. That's social media for you. Now, waiting many people know that if you understand media, you go know. You feel saga me today, you get 20,000 views. Congratulations. 2 months time, I feel saga you. I feel even do short video for you. He go hit 100,000 views. Congratulations to me. We are in the same boat. You dey spoil my name, they go. I dey spoil your name, they go. That is one thing about media that a lot of people don't know. For these people to say, okay, may they call Mama Ego or a brother. This one not be say hate. I don't hate Mama Ego. I don't get anything against Mama Ego. Since when Frank finally confessed everything, because he blend with the audios I have, I tell una say when Frank their house, Frank call me. Una think say I dey lie. I said that for years. At the end, the truth burst out. If I tell you say this thing na A, you know me say person not the lie. No, there are things you just see they do saga. You feel say okay, may you see joke with. There are things you don't joke with. When I'm in this kind of situation, I don't involve lies. Because now something when I know say the world needs the truth. The world need to look towards this thing. Don Prince, they try to cover Mama Ego brother. Una know why? That boy now they admit page. That one. That boy now they follow and they talk. They give am fake information. If you see video where Don Prince do, you go even hear say Don Prince want to insult the lady family. Mona go they listen to a video. I dey cut and keep. Because time will come, I go they analyze or even if I dey eat carrots, even if I dey cook, now me be queen. Now me be trouble. I gwali me. Now this woman make me just perch for a very long time. I say, Because now something where she tell me, say, Queen, promise me, say, you not go they do saga. Queen, stop saga. So now that she's normal, and I can't find that, say, people will get hand for waiting happen to this woman. They not still want to make this woman family get justice. I will not sit to that. I will not be in support of that. That big star so, this boy so, that the form say he knows something, this boy don't know anything. If he knows something, why his sister supposed to get the biggest page on those cyberspace? Why his sister page be like that? And this boy knows, say, that lady where he want marry so with his sister, they know they play. This boy know how his sister take saga that lady till that lady buy so. This boy know. So now tell me say this boy work everywhere, you don't see woman marry. He can't say na that same lady where his sister don't come online, can't disgrace. This boy with Frank who be senior. This boy so with Frank who be senior. This boy na small rat. But because of greed, because of money, this boy say he won't go marry a woman of how many years? At the end, now, I plan a marriage, see what it can happen. It be like person will get targets before. And you people are not seeing that. Even if it's innocent, safe back, why this boy never can talk where he was carried? Because he woman a public figure. Now, woman way they help a lot of people. A lot of people want to do better justice for them. Not be all this one way. Don't prince where they cry for my own friendship. Don't prince to have view. My friendship is very, very expensive. Believe it or leave it. I know they give out to nonsensical people. I know they give out to person where if he betray me under 1 minute. My friendship is very, very expensive. I see what you post. You say you want come the saga Queen Rita. Once you come outside, you come saga Queen Rita. I will bring out your father picture and start to saga your father. Now your pa now go to replace the saga where you want saga Queen Rita. Yes, your papa. Now me go to replace the saga where you want saga Queen Rita. Because when I talked for her platform yesterday, she no insult you. She no mention your name. She no talk to you. So if you claim, say, because I use a platform to talk yesterday, say the team pay you, me quit talk show. If you the saga her for that side, I will the saga your pa. If possible, if you put your senior brother joiner, those on a menu, I will start to the beat now where both your sisters were in Europe. Is one buwa. We no heke. Is one do me a metia zen you one. You they hear me so? The money where that woman pack give you, they do give away. Where the conscious the receipts, how much you share. You don't know how many times that woman pack money give you to take to give away. That woman do birthday worth almost 3,000-4,000 euro for you. The woman also do birthday worth 2,500 for your pikin. Don't praise. So the only thing you can do for that woman now, now to they put her voice for your page. Now to they put her voice for your page till they make money. And let me quickly drop this one out there. For bloggers, no, not be bloggers. For some presenters, where they cut my video, they put for your page. I'm sorry for you. You no want grow. You no want upgrade from 15 view to 10 views. You don't want to upgrade. Or you put my picture for your page for wrong way, for negativity. I go report you sote. I go call Facebook for phone. I go report you. Listen to me. I say waiting. I go report you sote. If I call your page, I go fair report you there. Then I go mental studio. I go report you there. I go what is that they call her? Business suit. I go report you there. Then I go call them direct. I go still report you. Area wase. He get somebody where he post my picture that day. He post my picture for video where they tell they bully me. And that person, you not be my fans. People where you they support, you know if you be my you know if you be my person. As we speak, that page is demonetized. Shame no letter and contact with TC. That page is demonetized. If you like, bear my face like this. I will go to my page and bring the original. The date I post them. Then I will go screenshot your own. Copy your page link. im we case we give Facebook. If they never solve, I not go come here. I go report you different places. You self go no say, not be any trait you they deal with. And not be any trait will be say, if they want write something, one straight sentence, you not feel correct. You deaf when I thought, say, this my page. I've been the one managing this page for the past how many years. You know what way don't call this page. You know what? Mama ego brother, he do you. During the time of blessing CEO mass reports, our in low dairy we still there. The time when me and Frank get saga, he do you. When I they play Esther music, they do their own. A lot. They do everything, but I still be Queen Talk Show. VIP Queen. Na me be that. I still there. Since I've created this page, I never lose monetization once. That one not shock you. So you feel say, people, I know they this page. To even carry out to Tifan. They are I dey. But because I dey too intelligent, they're not fit. When me and Frank get issue, he use waiting I just celebrate Esther for her birthday. He use and demonetize my page. Under 24 hours, my monetization come back. Now me be queen. When it comes to media, no play. If you all no say you no fit, no find my trouble. Because if I sit down for your page, iya ki oto no gberi. Iya ki oto no gberi. So if you are carrying my video, all the bloggers where they carry my video, both good and bad, and God will see bless you. Why I like the one I tell they carry, why I like as soon as they carry my video, be say, even if I talk the thing, and 50 or 60 or 70, 80 people they watch me here, if una just carry all viral, all the bloggers where they carry my videos, all of them they get views. All of them they get views. Which if you calculate their views, join my own, it reach me to take same message to one person. Let's forget about the money where they go make. My own government now, you shop, I chop. Finish. So far, don't carry my own video, take copyright me, use and strike me. I go still carry you go Facebook domot. Iyate wezo, lieke Facebook. Now they get me so my people. So for those where you know, say, you know you they support, you know you they follow. You have never contributed in any way to this page. You carry my video or my picture. I never come for you, no me say I no come. Sometimes not be all of una they see. Not be all of una they see. Like Monica now where they saga me, she blocked me. I know they see her videos. Except I will use my mail account to find her. Which Monica not reach for me to excuse my attention to come define. Who be Monica? Wait till the amount where she want talk. Person where she my disgrace don't beat blue and black and green. So say now she get hormonal imbalance. Now she get hormonal imbalance. Now that kind of person I can't go define the go. I'm bigger than that now. If I want to look for person, people page, my turn. People page at this point now 3 people page now they go around. 3 people page at the person when I kill tea. Number 1 na Don Prince. Number 2 na Mama Joy. Number 3 una no number 3. No need to call Annie. Una no number 3. Iwa lie. Iwa kill when I kill tea. Because this saga not go end anytime soon. When I worry you here and so what you they doing? Because of selfishness, they don't want to make people focus on the truth. They don't want. Mama Joy will be say All the people where she enter live video with the same time, all of them don't grow finish. All of them don't blow. All of them don't make camp. All of them don't, they date talk now. Say their platform, they busy. Mama Joy say they battle from 2 view to 1 view, 2 view to 1 view. I go beat that one, eh? I go beat that one. But I'm more konya kose. I go use that one, do like 2 more straight video. Area me with Don Prince. Yeah, billion a video. Anything I they say Mama Joy they talk about Tipa. Mama Joy, shut up your mouth. Wait till you they talk about Tipa. Wait till concern you. If Tipa ever they do something, people want to put. Now you go top put. Now you go talk put. Okay. No sungu bedenevoerowa. Who give you the rights and the audacity to contribute for something where you not get level? Where be say no level for you. You they contribute. You even open your mouth, they talk. Now so I want they do now. Why you go on the social media now? Anything na your talk, I will come and on and say, "Mona, shut up." Yes. Area wase, what come on, shut up your mouth and get inside. Don't be stupid. Why go? Receipt one and so I want go break on receipt of us. Una not say receipt break on. Una not say receipt. Una not see receipts bring on. Useless set of people. Don't praise. Negridiness, berag bijou wagbon. Na wa bugbobo wa wagbon. No so who I dey wait for you, sis, because I want go somewhere. I think say you will come and make a live stream your head. Ni polite tererera will be before I go where they go. When you want to comment, bring out the time. Make I go check your page whether you don't still comment. Bring out the time. See on your page nowadays. So my bring out the time. I want to go dirty with you. Now you find my trouble. You go know why they find my trouble for this media. You go know whether me they fear person, whether me send anybody papa for this media, whether me they lose face so. You go know. Or if you get one thing, if you don't please, we saga me, make me enter house. Don't please. Ou na eti saga me ne kwito show me ne do lawa ewe ama bie me kinu mu de vewo wagbon sapana were wo ndan ogbabe. You always cause commotion anywhere you go. Look your life now. You no get friend. Where IK? Where the other Epa for Germany? Where the other one? Where the other one? Where you go? Now so you carry friendship go they meet Frank that time. You don't see the way Frank polite you come up for a platform. Not be shame and disgrace you take come up for Frank platform. Not be shame and disgrace. You take come out for Frank platform. Make I give Frank one message. Frank, make I give you one message. People they call me, they tell me for some days now, say if they do video, you they insult me. Which I never really can't look you. I know they even watch you. But people they tell me, say you they do video, you they insult me. No, say me, I never watch your video. Because if I watch those your video, say I see where you for insult me. I not be view. Listen to me and listen good. I not be waiting. I no be vie where be say she no know where they take the look at. Or if una don't fight finish, the next thing she go waka come your platform. If una fight today, tomorrow na also na settle. If una fight today, una go say una settle. I not be that type. You hear me so? Me and you, I don't need your friendship. I believe say you two don't need my friendship. But if you they do your video, because you know the truth for all these things, and you know, say me know you too well, and I know the role you play in all this. So if you don't want Make me leave people when me hold so focus on you. Because I feel doing. Yes, it's very good that I have a big people. I don't get plenty of food now. If not before, I would do like say, I know they hear what they tell me about you. But I'm telling you now, say, since when they do this video of justice now, I never insult you. Not make me leave these people when I also can't hold you. I know be vie. When you go there under your comment section, you dey insult them. Since how many years have you seen me on your platform? Since how many years? This is my page, quick talk show. You don't see me for your platform. The answer is no. And I'm not ready to even come anytime soon. So if you don't want, make I leave these people where me hold so. Can't hold you. Because you yourself, you know pure. And you know I know. We know. As I just suffer quiet. Do like say I don't see the way you play. For waiting I put on this woman. You shut up your mouth, make you face where you face. We are gunu where. We are gunu where. If you say you not go face where you face, Jeremy, I will start to bring evidence come aside. And lady say, Queen, if I go watch Frank video before anything. Because they call me. People they call me. I know say people where they come, they don't feel like for me. They say make I go see video where they do. Which me never get time because me target. Me your get target. You understand? So Frank, not be say I not feel add you joiner. Because you know say you now let me want know waiting happen between you and that lady. Now only me, Iyego was there for the gbola. Atiti not there. Many people not there. Ola Koko not there. Now me know waiting happen. You know they have something for me. She know they have something for me. And we all know. So if you don't want, make you go be the next topic. Because I feel leave all these rats, all these ones where they cry. So I don't see anything where they talk. He give me money. He give me money. If you like, he give me money. He give me money. Yes, I chop the money. Mona do what you want to do. Thanks for joining my person, Lillian. Thanks for joining my lady. Good morning. If she give me money, I say I shop her. But so they have voice somebody like me. I had done. No, I've been saying this for a very long time. So I feel leave all this. Wait till make me the saga all this misquant be say we need justice. Money we there with Mama Ego brother. May she bring and come out. Money we there with Mama Ego brother. May she bring and come out. So that is why I did talk about this matter. So Frank, now you make me because you know me as my matter be. Now me they talk as people want to hear. No just let me just open your own case file. They go make here. As I all do now, use and cover face. I don't see you. You know me as my matter be. I go make a case file way. And not be VA one now they insult. She go see they follow now they play. Now before now they follow now they do that one say person. Now if you easy direct, so you know that's how they do you know. If now before as people they call me, I'll do like say I don't see them. But I just directly send you this message say, Alpha, guy face where you face. I will not say it again. If you say no, I will leave people when they suffer. People when me and they get business, I will suffer leave them. I will focus on you. So that once your own set, your case file now go open. All those lie where you they lie so, where you they phone say you they talk so, will begin they bring and come outside. You they hear me so? Will begin they bring and come outside. You was a goddaughter then, so giving you a happy hand is nothing new. God will bless you, my lady. Me they tell them now say she give me money. I shop her. When I come to what you now want to do. Because the time when I put chest for this media, they fight for this woman. Una blind, una not see her. I say una not see her now. The time when the whole media they against this woman. Now only 2 people now not saga this woman. Now only that 2 people not still chop her money for this media. If you want me to call their name, I will call their name. If you know these people, you can drop their name on comment section. Kurita is among and one other presenter woman. We not chop this woman shishi. The rest they chop. And after they take shop, then they saga this woman. This woman can't go they buy herself from their hand. They can't take her as business. If she not going bring money, they saga her. Claim me say that they saga Frank. But the thing she do for me, she do it because of our play, our friendship. How I take stand for her as a mama. Yes. She give me the money, I shop her. No, no, yahoo. But anyone where she not give me, where somebody can't laugh from my head, say, she give me. Now waiting by that woman. Now I go buy your household. Monica, where you see on platform, they cry yesterday. Now fans buy a motor. Monica, where you open platform, they cry yesterday. Now our fans, where give Monica star. Monica from inside star. She thief that lady pin. Monica not do a pin in the my people. She go they withdraw money from that our fans account. Monica no Jamie. She thief the woman. Percy, your own fans where they support you, super chat you, for you to super chat you. Monica, as she can still reach, she go thief that woman pin. They go they withdraw money by herself. They go they buy things for AliExpress for her body. You hear now say the woman say I thief at 10 cents. You look that woman like Percy where you fit thief at him. You look her. Percy way get access to the old media. You look at like who you go fit thief at him. Now if Frank never come outside, can't use me sing for 400 years, say, come oh, the woman say make you bring her money where you thief oh, you thief oh, you thief oh. As Frank even saga me rich. You deaf. When Frank the saga me, what he talk? He go say, what did the woman do for me? The woman go buy queen this one. The woman go buy queen this one. The woman give queen. You don't go here say, queen dupe the woman this one. Queen steal the woman this one. Queen kidnap the woman this one. In no day. All of una where they talk, you guys are jealous of me. Yesterday, now my pepper the video when I do, Epa Eddie copyright it too strong. It too strong. It affect that video. Even when I give the all the any, it still affect her. I was forced to delete her if not. But now, una tears go long. Una tears, it go long. He said, I only they aware of, when she give, give money during their marriage. Not only that one a gift now. Is it no gift? Something where the couple say, I dash you. You see, and say, all of us, we are involved in this. All of us, where that woman give money. If you look this matter where, then they drag all of us. Yes. But now gift. She dash, say, I dash you. How you will call the tell that person say, money where dash. That is a gift. The same thing she give to me. But the one where she give the rest people, it was not a gift. She used and go buy herself from their hands. But they not the saga her again. She used and go buy herself from their hand. Make them not the saga her again. Now they hear me so my people. Are you people hearing me? So Monica, Tom Prince, Mama Joy, I'm not telling you guys that. The woman give me money. I shop her. Mona do what you no want do. The one where she take do birthday for una never come count outside. The one where she give una take do give away, una never come to count. The one wanna do pan claim is wanna be native daughter, whereas una not they see anything. Even we take pa una pa, una no know. Una pa like don't prince papa has nothing tomorrow. Nobody fi enter there. Una never come talk. Then you they talk say because una see the way I dey fresh, una see the way I dey enjoy, una see the way I dey ball, una come feel say na the woman. Okay, even if na the woman come give me, wetin come happen? I told you guys the money where this woman they give me €100, $50, now she they give me. If she even give me more than that, una dey see her, she go say, Queen, do give away. She go say, Queen, do give away. Sometimes if she want to give away, she will not give me the money. She know they give me the money, she want to give away. This woman, a person, she know they put big money for my hand. She know they give me. If she want to give away, she will put the money for her own brother fit testify. This thing why they talk so. She fit transfer the money for the brother. My owner to they send the brother accounts. My owner to they send the brother accounts of those people. Say, okay, pay so money for you. Okay, pay so money for you. Pay so money for you. Pay this amount for you. Pay. That's only what me they do for inside, and they are doing it on my platform. That's all. Mommy say she will carry money. Say, Queen, take 2 million. Take do give away. Queen, take 3 million. Take do give away. For where for they happen, my people. Now me be a boyfriend. Could you believe that Don Prince toast this lady? I got the laugh. Saga never started. Don Prince toast this woman. Don Prince promised this woman marriage. Don Prince be want make this woman carry and go America, go marry. This one are latest away never leak. Don Prince, if you say I delay, I can't debunk this thing when I tell you so. May I for bring the audio come out, can't tell you say. The woman tell me during the time when she dey play with una, she told me, where a Don Prince we ain't like me, or we ain't married me. Now I tell her, say, Mama, so I only Ghost fire rebuke and we watana. Holy Ghost fire dana even gyoewa. Oh, you bobo no jobo jewo no jeni. Oh le buruku. Now tell her say, Mama, ene ya lo de undano. Unda. No. He get wetin many of una no know for this media. Don Prince come beg me for this woman contacts. Don Prince, he come beg me for this lady contacts. Now me give Don Prince this woman number. Let me shock you guys now. Now me give her this woman number. Make it call this woman. He come lie for me, say he gang where they plan something against this woman, my people. He said the gang where they plan something against this woman. A saga my swim, my people. Somebody say praise the Lord. This life, not they do good for human being again. No, they do waiting. No, they do good for human being again. I give her this woman contact. He come by the pretend say he no call this woman. He come by the pretend say he no call this woman. Whereas he call the woman. I get all the chats. Make I see whether I feel flash on. I go just flash on. I go remove them back. Make I show now. First, so a saga my swing. A saga my swing. Where Don Prince go they toast this woman. I might swing saga. But make I see whether I feel flash on. Make I show now something. Me, I not get any reason to lie you. Now me be queen. Wetin I want life for? If you normal say me. Now I want the life for. Never. Never. Okay, make I forward down. On and wait. Let me forward it to this place. Make I show now. Make una know say this life. It don't tell when I dey see betray. It don't strong for my body. It may ye kokoroko, it may ye paparankman. Okay, somebody send me message. My lady, I see your message, okay? I will call you as soon as I round up this video. Okay, ni make me betray. Since I send her this video, this woman number, Now me and this woman quarrel take boss. My people, since I send her this woman number, now me with the quarrel take do wetin. Now it take segemege. Now the woman come dey vex. The woman come dey constantly they do wetin come dey vex. The woman come dey vex. The woman no come. It can't be like say the woman don't hear something where person not supposed to even hear.